me wide, wide open. Got a 45 on him and he pushing about 102. Always smoking something, he ain't worried about nothing, cause he ain't got nothing to lose. I got a thing for the hard lick on ice, short days and long nights, Marlboros out the window, middle finger to the sky. Say you wanna get dangerous, now you speaking my language. I forgot what your name is, so I'ma call you mine. I'ma call you mine. Got me wide, wide open, got a 45 on him and he pushing about 102. Always smoking something, he ain't worried about nothing, cause he ain't got nothing to lose. I got a thing for the wild ones, I got a thing for the wild ones. It's like he done. I got a thing for the wild ones, I got a thing for the wild ones. They like me too.
Yeah, I'm attracted to things that are really crazy. Asking me how I've been feeling lately. Coming for mine, then this do or die. I won't let it slide, no stealing bases, no back and forth bargaining, no bitching and arguing. A whole lot of problems living in Gotham, and Bunny's my Harley Quinn. Was raised in the darkness, forgive me, I'm guarded. I have no shame, I'm in love with the heartless. The police will never take us alive, and cowgirls don't cry.
Got me wide, wide open, got a 45 on him and he pushing about 102. Always smoking something, he ain't worried about nothing, cause he ain't got nothing to lose. I got a thing for the wild ones, I got a thing for the wild ones. It's like he knew. I got a thing for.
She walks on fire, watch it burn in her eyes. Her wicked beauty sure will take you for a ride. She plays it sweet with such an innocent disguise. You'll only see it come out at night. I'm weak in the knees, whatever you please, cause I'm in shackles. Hypnotic lover taking over my mind. Your spell is binding, makes it so hard to find. She twists her hips and keeps it coming all night. I can't control myself, that girl is so fine. If looks could kill, I'd be a dead man, you see. But I would never wish to be set free. My queen of love, tell me what is your decree? You don't know what it's doing to me. I'm falling for you. What more can I do? Cause I'm in shackles. Hypnotic lover taking over my mind. Your spell is binding, makes it so hard to find. She twists her hips and keeps it coming all night. I can't control myself, that girl is so fine. I get lost in your divine and walk along the wild side. There's no heart for breaking, cause mine is taken when you look me in the eyes. I'm addicted to your love, it's all I'm thinking of. If I'm in prison, keep on living life in shackles. Hypnotic lover taking over my mind. Over my mind. Your spell is binding, makes it so hard to find. So hard to find. She twists her hips and keeps it coming all night. I can't control myself, that girl is so fine. Heaven help me, the devil wears lace and she can't be tamed. If I were wealthy, spend every last dime just to hear her say my name. I get my fix when she gets home. Now honey, I've been thinking about this all day long. The devil tricks, she sent a spawn to drag me to the depths where I belong. So light me in flames, as hot as you need. Let me see the good girl you wanted to be. All of my praise, only for me. I can be the one who can set you free. Fall from your grace, turn up the heat. I feel them going down, hands gripping the sheets. Setting the pace, numb of the beast. Got me by the bed, heart skipping a beat. Devil in me, I'm feeling lucky. I gambled on red and the price was paid. Took something from me, but gave it all back. It was one and the same. Shred my soul, turn me on. Have pride in my will, but the devil's strong. Rock and roll, sing my song. It must have been right, 'cause she can't be wrong. So light me in flames, as hot as you need. Let me see the good girl you wanted to be. All of my praise, only for me. I can be the one who can set you free. Fall from your grace, turn up the heat. I feel them going down, hands gripping the sheets. Setting the pace, numb of the beast. Got me by the bed, heart skipping a beat. Devil in me, they're closing up heaven's gates. I ain't feeling sorry. Was close enough. Yes, I'll wait, I'll wait, I'll wait. So light me in flames, as hot as you need. Let me see the good girl you wanted to be. All of my praise, only for me. I can be the one who can set you free. Fall from your grace, turn up the heat. I feel them going down, hands gripping the sheets. Setting the pace, numb of the beast. Got me by the bed, heart skipping a beat. Devil in me.
How can you love someone and learn to let them go? How can we fall apart on things we'll never know? Isn't it funny you can change your ways for someone to fill in your empty space? Tell me, is it really love if you have to ask if they'll stay?
Yeah, I got somebody I love. Someone who's really important to me, but now they addicted to drugs. Someone who not who they used to be, and we ain't been keeping in touch. I ain't gonna say any names at all, 'cause I don't want no one to judge. But I wrote the song, I hope when they hear it, they'll never forget who they was. I hope you feeling your spirit enough. I wanna just tell you I love you in case that you really don't hear it as much. I know we ain't talked in a while, but fuck it, I really don't care what it was. I wanna reach out, but you keep on shutting me down, or you ain't been caring as much. Or what the fuck happened to you? You losing a fight. I never thought I'd see the day that you let addiction ruin your life. Everyone calling that shit a disease and making you feel like you in the right. But I hate the fact that you really be using that as an excuse to do what you like or do what you might. And I keep on praying and reaching for you. I hope you look in the mirror and see all the things I've been seeing in you. Hope your reflection will send you a message and show you this shit is much deeper than you. If you don't believe in yourself, then you'll never believe in somebody believing in you. And I gotta tell you the truth, 'cause I'm about to lose it. And you in denial about it and just wanna make up a million excuses. Tearing our family apart, but you leave us scarred and everyone bruises. Every decision affecting us all, and if you get lost, then everyone loses. For real. And I'ma be next to lead. I know that God got a plan, and you ain't fulfilling your destiny. Much as I need you, I will not be sticking around or watching you rest in peace. I promise I love you, but I gotta do what's best for me.
How can you love someone and learn to let them go? How can we fall apart on things we'll never know? Isn't it funny you can change your ways for someone to fill in your empty space? Tell me, is it really love if you have to ask if they'll